A press conference was held on 26 March 2021 at the YOJANA BHAVAN in Shillong, wherein Meghalaya Power Minister James Sangma had made clarifications on the various speculations made by the public with regards to the recent load shedding in the state. While addressing the media, Power Minister James Sangma told newspersons that it was high time for the present government to not play the blame game as far as the shortcomings in the power sector of the state are concerned, and added that everything should start afresh so as to bring about a proper working of this particular sector and also to make the MEECL a vibrant and robust organization as far as power supply is concerned.
It's not easy. I don't want to go into any kind of blame game. It's very easy to shift the blame on the previous governments and say that previous governments did not give all these dues, did not keep to their commitment of terminal benefits, they signed faulty PPAs. I do not want to get into all such kind of blame game. What I believe in is to make sure that we start off fresh, we make the right moves, we bring in right interventions so that in the future the state moves on and the power sector scenario in our state improves to a large extent, and we clean up the system so that MECL becomes a vibrant and robust organization. That is our endeavor and that is what we strive to achieve. So this is what I wanted to clarify, to at least set the tone for the press conference, and I'm very open to taking questions because I think there